Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can create a WordPress chat box option in our WordPress website where we can edit the phone number messages in the admin panel and that will automatically show up in the front end of the website. Okay. So it's a simple and basic plugin, but it will be like a very really useful. Okay. So here I have the fresh WordPress installed. So let's jump back to Claude and try to write a prompt here. Okay. So let's start with I want to create a WordPress plugin for WhatsApp chat. Okay. Try to sorry make sure the plugin is secure and efficient. Okay. And next thing we want in our plugin where we can add the contact number and message, and if we can then try to look like a chat box. Okay. And if you have anything in your mind to add or improve the sorry functionality, then it will be super helpful. Okay, let's see how we can create a WordPress plugin for that. Okay, let's hit enter and now wait for the result. Let me pause the video. Hi, welcome back. So here we have the widget application. Let's download this plugin and open this in our downloads and open this, copy this and paste this in our plugin folder. Let's go to WP content, plugins, paste. Okay, so now we have the plugin. Let's refresh this once. Go to the plugins and here we have the plugin. Let's activate that plugin. It's perfectly activated. Let's go to the settings and check WhatsApp chat. Okay, so now here we can add the WhatsApp number, pre-filled message, agent name, typical WhatsApp bubble, bottom left, bottom right, and from mobile devices also. Okay, let's add a random number for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's paste this. Okay, we do need. Okay, no problem. Let's refresh the front end. So here we have the WhatsApp chat bubble. Let's click on this. It particularly looks like a WordPress. Okay, let's try to send it a message. Hi, are you there to chat? So now it's up in the WhatsApp and we can simply start the chat. But I'm not going to do that. So this particular is looks interesting because if you simply add a WhatsApp icon and on click you can simply open that, then it will not look like interesting. But this looks pretty interesting. Okay. So do we have anything other here? Yeah, we can enable and disable that as well. Okay. So let's wrap this up. So here we have successfully created a WhatsApp widget that can help us to uh, mimic the WhatsApp chat bubble. Okay. So if you have any questions, any doubt, or if you have any suggestion for the video, then you can comment on this particular video. I will try to reply as soon as I can. And if you want to download this particular plugin, I will paste my GitHub repository link where you can download this particular plugin. Okay, so that's it for today. Let's wrap this up. If you have any doubt or any suggestion, please comment on the video. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, bye bye. Have a great day ahead.